Today I'll walk you through how to add pictures and videos to My Eyes Only on Snapchat, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to secure your snaps so you can keep your private moments safe and sound. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. This is where all the magic happens, so make sure you're on the main camera screen. You should see your camera view ready to snap. Now, from the camera screen, look for the gallery icon. This is your gateway to your memories. Think of it as your personal scrapbook where all your saved snaps live. Tap on that icon to open your memories. Once you're in your memories, you'll see all your saved snaps. Browse through and choose the snap that you want to add to My Eyes Only. It's like picking your favorite photo to put in a special album. Take your time to find the right one. If you've selected just one item, you'll want to click on the More icon. This icon usually looks like three dots or lines stacked together. After tapping it, select Hide Snap. This action will move your chosen snap into My Eyes Only, keeping it private and secure. Now, if you've selected multiple items, don't worry, Snapchat makes this easy too. A hide icon will appear at the bottom of your screen. Simply click on that icon to move all the selected items to My Eyes Only. It's like putting a whole stack of photos into a locked drawer, ensuring your memories are only for your eyes. And there you have it. You've successfully added pictures and videos to My Eyes Only on Snapchat. Remember, it's totally normal if this takes a moment, and don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Snapchat updates frequently, but the core functions remain the same. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.